Okay, we're at Dewey Spillway, March the 1st, 2021. Now, really, what are the odds of this happening here? Look at that. That's the outflow tunnel. And the water is within 2 feet or so of the top of the tunnel. And it's barely even coming out. I mean, you would think this was just a part of the lake, you know? According to the lake website, the outflow here is only, I think, 467 CFS, but according to this, it's like nothing, pretty much. I mean, this is definitely a first for me to see it like this. It wasn't even like this in the flood of 2015. And there's the downstream area right there. You can see the playground is partially under. The whole walkway that leads up here is completely under. I had to walk all the way around the playground in order to get this shot. Wow.